Today we're going to be unboxing my brand new GoPro 13 Black. Actually filming this with my GoPro 10. So I haven't even opened it yet. So it has a lot of various optional lenses, ND filters, ultra wide, which I bought, macro, which I really don't need, and anamorphic, which I don't need either. Here I have the ultra wide lens mod. I love ultra wide angle photography, and definitely was a reason for buying this mod kit. So again, haven't opened any of this, so let's do this now. Whoop. Give it a little gentler opening the box. All right. GoPro. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Well, I'm definitely going to be doing this offline, but here's the instruction books. I am already a subscriber to GoPro. If you're not, you can scan this and learn more. Comes with cool GoPro stickers. I think I'll put one on my truck, maybe even one on my gearbox. Seeing how I live in the tropics, I'm not so much worried about cold weather performance, but I do go up to the Arctic every couple of years, so this may be some of interest. Have product questions. Whole book here. Looks more like a eye test than anything else because I could barely read the font in multiple languages. And inside the kit we have the GoPro charging cable. We have battery here, GoPro battery, brand spanking new. All right, and this is the older battery that is with the GoPro 10, so the batteries do look different. So I guess I'm gonna have to buy an extra battery for my GoPro 13. This is the GoPro 10 battery, and here is the GoPro 10 charger that does not look like it fits the GoPro 13. I was not aware of that when I bought that. Here, if you're a GoPro, you know these here are some of the accessories. Certainly you attach your GoPro camera with the little feet here, and then another screwy thing here, which is really important. Oops, I can get this out of the box. Here's the little screwy thing that the feet of the GoPro come in here, and you just kind of screw this right in, and it locks it in place, and then this can go on all types of accessories, tripods, selfie sticks, what have you. Here is the piece de resistance. Your camera must be updated before you could use it. Well, I have to do all of this offline. Okay, to take these stickers off. And let's see here. This is really approximately the same size as the GoPro 10. A little side hatch. You can see the battery would fit in here. SD card would go right over there. All looks at it, it looks exactly the same as the GoPro 13. We already said that the batteries are quite different. Okay, and we can now see what the wide angle lens mod is, what that looks like. All right, so let's see if I can open this box without destroying it. Much better, Alec, much better. All right, and it has all the paperwork that is in the lens. Comes with a little lens cleaning cloth, which is always important. This is interesting here. So lens cap on one side. I guess this would have to pop out. Here we go. So here is the lens for the the lens for the wide angle, the super wide angle. This is the lens with the super wide angle, and you can see on the box here some of the it says here, transform your Hero 13 Black into the ultimate POV camera with the widest field of view, 177 degrees, and highest level of hyper smooth video stabilization ever on a GoPro. So I love shooting in wide angle, and with the exception of a few how-to videos and unboxing videos, I mostly shoot outdoors, and so wide angle is really what I wanted to do. I'm gonna read the instructions on how to install this baby. What you have to do, I probably just take this off or snap it on, but I will do this and come right back. All right, so to change the lens from the standard lens on the GoPro to the wide angle, hyper wide angle HD series lens, there's two steps. First, we have to remove this lens. So we turn this lens 45. We turn this lens at a 45-degree counterclockwise. And there we go. We got that at 45 degrees counterclockwise. Pop the original lens off, and we'll just put this back in the other lens case. And now we have wide angle lens. Line this blue dot with the blue dot on the camera. Okay, snap that in place, and then rotate it clockwise till it locks. Now we have this bad boy with its wide angle lens. And I'm going to charge this. I'm going to put a brand new SD card that I have right here into this camera, and tomorrow I will be taking this out and field testing it. Tomorrow, unboxing today. I'm really excited about my new GoPro. I have a lot of fishing trips lined up for the fall migration of bait fish, both down here in South Florida, in Central Florida, and up in New Jersey next month. So definitely taking this bad boy with me, and gonna get a lot of use out of this. I do realize I'm gonna have to buy another battery and another battery charger, but I guess that's just part of how they do things at GoPro. I guess they're following the Apple iPhone charger thing, but whatever, you know, at the end of the day, it's only money. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my GoPro 13, and tomorrow we'll have fun shooting video with this bad boy. All right, take care. Bye.